Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, today I shall try my best to provide you the syllabus related with your English literature as well as section wise weightage for your annual exam 2020 to 21. Regarding the exam pattern, your question paper will be divided into two parts, like part A and part B. Part A and B consisting these all the topics like reading, writing, literature, grammar. For part A, there will be a question related with reading section that carry 20 and also question related with your literature that carries 10 marks and a question related with your grammar section that carry 10 marks. It means total number for your questions that carry 40 marks. Now questions related with part B. In that very section there will be question related with writing section that carries 10 marks and the other part like literature and the total number of questions that carry 30 marks. It means total number of these two types of questions carry 40 marks. At last, as grand total, you have to face the problems related with 40 marks. Now, a brief description related with your first part like part A, reading section that consists 20 marks. Multiple choice questions based on a discursive passage of 400 to 450 words to test inference, evaluation and vocabulary. 10 out of 12 questions to be answered. It means you have to answer one question for 10 marks. Now, multiple choice questions based on a case-based factual passage with visual input, statistical data chart, etc. of 200 to 250 words to test analysis and interpretation. 10 out of 12 questions to be answered for getting 10 marks. It means now total length of two passages to be 600 to 700 words. Now the other part like the literature textbook for 10 marks. Multiple choice questions based on an extract from drama or prose to test inference, evaluation and vocabulary that carry 5 marks. Any one out of two extracts to be answered by you. Now, second part here. Multiple choice questions based on an extract from poetry to test analysis and interpretation, and for that any one out of two extracts to be done or answered by you to get 5 marks. Now, something related with your grammar section, it carries 10 marks. 10 multiple choice questions out of 12 to be answered questions shall be based on the following topics like modals, tenses, subject, verb, concord, reported speech related with commands and request, statements or questions. And the other topic like determiners. Due to COVID-19, these all the topics has been deleted or neglected or refused by CBSE board like use of passive voice, clauses, noun, adverb, relative and prepositions also. Now something related with your part B, that carry subject wise questions for 40 marks. First of all, a question related with writing section that carries 10 marks. Formal letter and its word limit will be 100 to 120 words based on a given situation, and you have to do one out of 2 questions to be answered for 5 marks. Now its second part, writing an analytical paragraph, word limit 100 to 120 words based on a given outline like data, chart, etc. 1 out of 2 questions to be answered for getting 5 marks. Now its other part like literature that carry 30 marks. First of all, 4 out of 6 short answer type questions to be answered in 20 to 30 words. Each from first flight and footprints without feet. 2 out of 3 from first flight and 2 out of 3 from footprints without feet. It means there will be question number here like 2 and both carry 4 marks. It means you have to complete such types of question for getting 8 marks. Now 4 out of 6 short answer type questions to be answered in 40 to 50 words, each from first flight and footprints without feet. 2 out of 3 from first flight and 2 out of 3 from footprints without feet for 12 marks. Now 1 out of 2 long answer type questions from first flight to be answered in about 100 to 120 words each. To assess creativity, imagination and extrapolation beyond the text and across the texts. This can be a passage-based questions taken from a situation plot from the text for 5 marks. Now 1 out of 2 long answer type questions from footprint without feet on the theme or plot involving interpretation beyond the text and inference or character sketch to the answered in about 100 to 120 words for 5 marks. Now prescribed books for you like published by NCERT New Delhi, and first book for you like here First Flight as a textbook for class 10, and due to the pandemic of COVID-19 these all the topics or chapters have been deleted by our CBSE board, and these topics are here. First here, how to tell wild animals. Second, trees. Third, fog. Fourth, Misville the otter. And fifth here for Annie Gregory. Now the second as a supplementary reader here like footprints without feet, and these all the chapters related with your supplementary reader like footprints, and these the chapters has been deleted by the CBSE board due to COVID-19, and the chapter here like the midnight visitor. Second, a question of trust, and third, the book that saved the earth. It means, my dear students, these all the chapters has been deleted or edited by the CBSE board. It means you never have to take any interest in these all the topics, because there will be no any question related with these all the topics. Next time, even if you will be interested to find out other idea related with other subject, first of all try to subscribe my channel, as well as never forget to make comment or others. Thanks a lot.